This is the Microsoft Excel, the workspace basically. So please do well to look after like how my cursor is moving so you can follow through with the lesson. So we have in Microsoft Excel, so we have file, we have home, we have insert, we have page layout, we have formulas, we have data, review, view, and acrobat. So according to the version I'm using, so this is how the interface looks like. So and in Microsoft Excel, we have this blank page. We have this blank page. You see my cursor, I'm clicking on it. So we have the starting, which is this one. It highlights everything, which means it highlights both the column and the rows. So what is a row and what is a column? So that is what I'm going to take you through. So it is a row is the straight line. Okay, let me just say this is a cell. Cell A, cell B. These are cells. These ones I'm clicking on, they are cells. So why row? Let me highlight a row for you. So this is a row. This is a row. A straight line, it is a row. So why column? Column is column is what it is. Let me highlight a column for you, which is this. This is a column. A column goes down. So obviously, so we can say like in other words, we can say a row it is horizontal, and why a column is what vertical. You understand? So so this is what we're gonna be talking through about Microsoft Excel, and then down here we have sheet one. If you need more sheets, you can just click on the plus sign, click on it, to say sheet two. So that means you want to create a worksheet. So this whole document is called workbook that contains sheets. So you can have as many sheets as you want. So as you click on the plus sign, it's going to add on to the sheet you have. So you have sheet 4. If I click on it, you have sheet 5. So also another thing you can do it, if you right click on it, just on your mouse, there's a right click, just right click on it. It's gonna give you options. So we have insert, we have delete, we have rename, move or copy. So according to the name, insert means to add on to the sheet. So you want to insert. So what do you want to insert? A worksheet. So if it's a worksheet you want to add on, just say okay. So now you see it has added sheet 6 at the beginning. So that's where you also have to be mindful wherever your mouse is gonna be. So if your mouse is at the sheet 5, so obviously it's going to create the sheet 6 next to sheet 5. But since my cursor was at sheet 1, so that was why it was creating it was inserting a new sheet, yeah, before the sheet 1. Yeah, so you can also right click, you can rename. So if you want to rename, you can say what the like you want to just kind of customize it. I can say my name Sam. See, I can go to sheet 2. What do I want to rename? Let me rename it again, Toby. Let me say this sheet I want to give it to Basil. Let's say Bevex. Uh, this sheet I want to give it to what? Faith. Let's say Faith. This sheet I want to give it to Mamat. So you see, so obviously now this is very more okay. Like even for instance, you close the document and you come back again and you need okay, now I need sheet for Faith. So obviously with you renaming this, it's very like easier for you to locate where the sheet is instead of sheet one, sheet two, sheet three, because obviously you won't know which sheet it is, so you have to go through all the sheets to know to see where your data is. So yeah, that's the importance of renaming. So it makes work easier. So I'll be taking you through. So I think I'm just taking you through the overview of Microsoft Excel. Yeah. So down here we have the ruler. So the ruler you can slide in, slide right, slide left. So and this we have the normal. This is the normal view. These are viewing options. How do you want to view your Microsoft document? So you have the normal. So we have the page layout. So when you click on it, it's gonna show you how a page layout view of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel looks like. So this is it. So this is also page break view. So during my lessons, my when I'm explaining, I will emphasize on this page break view. It's actually very, very important because this page break view, like, it helps you to squeeze a document, like maybe a document, maybe you have document one, document two. So if it has exceeded, there is a document one, it has gone to document two. So you can just, with this page break view, you can see where the pages, so they have exceeded. Yeah. So it's actually pages, not document. So in this Microsoft Excel, as you are looking at it like this, we have pages. We have what pages. So they are not just blank. They are not just blank. This is not just page one. So in this, and according to how you set your page layout, so that is your, like in Microsoft Word, if you remember, you can set your left, right, bottom, center. Yeah. In a page, you have top, bottom, we have right, left. So according to the measurements you give it, that is how your pages are also in this Microsoft Excel. Yeah. So, and look at this down here, you have zoom, so you can increase it, you can decrease it as much as you want. Yeah. So yeah, so this is basically what Microsoft Excel is. And this 1, 2, 3 by the left, that you see my cursor, this 1, 2, 3, yeah, they are not there. They are just there to symbolize. This one is a row one, you have row two, you see, yeah, go free. But when you're printing your document, these numbers, this ABC, this 1, 2, 3, they're not going to show on it. Yeah. So, and this one, whatever you write here, for instance, when I write Sam, you see in this place it's going to preview the Sam also. So it's like a preview option. Yeah. So, and we have A1. So um so let's quickly do an example. So this Sam is in A, is in what column? A, row one. Column A, row what? One. So that means when you want to locate Sam, so that means Sam is in what? A1. So A1 means that it is in column A, it is in column A and row one. You understand? So let me type Toby here. So now what can I say? Obviously, this is B, column B, and this is still row one. So obviously Toby is in column B1. You understand? So that's what it's showing here, B1. So let's type Bevex here again. You see, Bevex is in what column C, you see, and still in row one. So obviously Bevex is in column C, row one, C1. So you can see here, you can check here. This is the name box. It is there. Yeah. So yeah, so that's the introductory part of Microsoft Excel. Now we'll be going in depth in my next lesson. Thank you. Like and share, and you can give your feedback on how I can improve on it. You are all in the learning process, as I do say. Thank you for watching. God bless.